This video walkthrough shows how to set up alerts with AcuCloud. Step 1. Accessing the installation section. From the home page, click on Installation. In the Installation section, click the Alerts tab. Step 2. Creating a new alert. In this section, click Add Alert to begin. Step 3. Enter new alert configurations. Fill in the required information. Toggle status to enable the alert. Select facilities to add one or more metering points. Pick the device model to trigger. Select type to set the alerts to parametric, offline, or flatline. Select device to add one or more items. Choose a duration to specify how often the alert conditions are checked. Set the email notification duration for how often the recipient receives an email when an alert event has been triggered. Configure alert parameters, threshold, and threshold value to set up alert conditions. Enter email addresses of all recipients to send alert notifications. Step 4. Save the alert. Once all the required information is provided, click Submit to create the alert. This now concludes the tutorial on how to set up an alert.